Hi everybody, welcome to Engineering Starts at Home. My name's Jacob.
My name's Audrey.
And we're both students here at Speed School. Today we're going to be talking about windmills. If you're following along on your passport at home, this will be the civil and environmental engineering activity on your passport. Please listen, because at some point during this video, we will be releasing the secret phrase that you will have to write onto your passport in order to get credit. If you have no idea what we're talking about, please see the link in the description below for the explanation of what the passport is. So for today's activity, you will need a square piece of paper, markers if you wish to decorate your paper, scissors, push pins, and a pencil with an eraser. So to start, you will take your piece of paper and you will fold it diagonally in half. And then you will fold it in half again the other way. Once you've done this, you want to take a pencil and make a mark on your folds roughly 1/3 away from the middle. You want to do this on every line. Next, you will take your scissors and you will cut along the folds to your pencil mark. Make sure to be careful when using your scissors. Once you're done, it should look something like this. After you've completed this part, you want to take a push pin and make sure the design of your windmill is facing the table. So you will take your push pin and one corner of your pinwheel and you will stick your push pin through the corner of the paper. So after this, you will skip the next point and go to the next corner. Draw it towards the middle and stick the push pin through it. You will then skip the next point and grab the next corner, doing the same thing. You will follow this process for the last corner as well. Once this is done, your push pins should be through all four corners of the paper. After this, you will stick the push pin through the back of the paper. Once you've done this, you will take your pencil and stick the back of the push pin through the eraser. Make sure to stick your push pin all the way through the eraser. Be very careful not to stick yourself. And once this is done, you have your windmill. So in order to test it out, you can do one of two things. You can blow on it, or you can use a fan. Look at it go. So an environmental engineer's role is to find out where is the best place to put the pinwheel so the blades will turn. The reason why we want to do this is so we can make the most electricity possible. As you can see, my windmill stopped. That's because the wind is not catching the turbine blades correctly. So one thing about wind is that it comes from all different directions. Sometimes it comes from the front, from the side, from the top, or from the bottom. So environmental engineers do these studies in order to find out the best place to put their wind turbine in order to make sure it will turn most often. Psst. Hey everybody, it's secret phrase time. So get out your passports and get ready to write down today's secret phrase. Our secret phrase is, I'm a big fan of windmills. So be sure to write this down on your passport under the Civil and Environmental Engineering activity block. So there are lots of different ways to make a windmill. This is a more complicated one that I made using things I found around my house. An empty plastic water bottle, a rubber band, a cardboard tube, and a full water bottle and pencil.
If you want to put your windmill skills to the test, you can design and build your own and enter it in a competition at Speed School's E-Expo. The details are in the description below.
We hope to see you there.